welcome back to my channel. For today's video is gagawa tayo ng bike upgrade. So we're using the Crf250l. So yung papalitan natin naman dito guys is yung Sprocket na 52. This is a alloy sprocket. Then we'll use the gold chain. So yun na, nalagay na natin yung sprocket. So very lightweight. This is a CNC alloy, super lightweight. Then yung design nito guys is yung may mga butas sa sides. Then ang gagamitin natin is yung gold chain para attractive siya tingnan, lalo na kapag ikaw ay nagtutrail or nagmamotorcross. So yan guys, we'll remove the chain lock first para ma-install ito sa bike. So make sure na you keep the lock para hindi ito mawawala. So safekeeping nyo lang para hindi ito ma-misplace. So yun guys, ang ginamit natin na gulong is yung Max MX52. So this is a 100 by 100.
Masuna tong pag masuna yung Muffler.
Ito naman yung very effective and popular sa mga gulong. When it comes to tires, Dunlop talaga yung mga sikat dahil mura ito, then mas maganda yung performance. So ibabalik na natin siya sa swing arm. So yan guys, very nice tingnan. So lightened sprocket. So as you can see guys, yung chain guide natin is parang hindi na siya mag-work dahil tatama siya sa sprocket. So you remove that, or you can remove that, or you can move it and just use the one bolt para lang magamit yung chain guide guys.
Ang chain guide mo.
So yun guys, na-install na natin yung sprocket. So test nyo lang guys kung okay ba yung ikot nya. So once okay na yung ikot nya, we will install the chain. So napakaganda yung gold chain natin, very nice tingnan. So I think kailangan kunan yung links dahil this is a 130L then 520. So medyo malaki talaga yun. So check na natin kung ilang links ba yung kailangan putulan. So just count the links or measure it actual para mas madali lang para sa inyo. So yun guys, all set na. So chain lang yung kulang guys. So ikot nyo lang, then lagyan nyo yung chain, then check natin kung ilan yung kailangan kunin. Usually sa 130L kailangan mong kumuha ng like 6 links para makonect ito guys. So first is pasok nyo muna yung sa chain guide, then ikot nyo lang. So yun guys, nakuha na natin yung sukat kung anong kailangan putulin. So kailangan nyo guys ng chain cutter. So yun guys, kailangan nyo ng chain cutter para ma-install nyo yung chain na mahaba. So kailangan nyo putulan yung chain, like I think it's 6 links or 7 links. So yun guys, make sure na yung mga alignment dyan is intact and yung mga bolts ng sprocket is mahigpit na. So if mahilig kayo mag DIY, then you can follow this video and do it on your own, but don't destroy it on your own. So yun yung disadvantage kapag ikaw ay nag-eksperimento. Baka masira mo yung gamit mo. So minsan just leave it to the expert na lang, like the mechanics, yung ganun. So check natin. So count natin kung ilang kunin. Then puputulan natin yung chain. So yung muffler nga pala natin guys is Crf250 full system. So meron tayong available ngayon sa Crf250l, FMF, RCT. So out of stock muna tayo sa Crf250, pero meron tayong Yoshimura. So just contact me or just comment down below sa video na ito, or you can text me at 0906-251-0633. So set na natin yung chain cutter natin guys. Make sure na hindi ito malulose thread. So we're ready to cut the chain para ma-install na yung sprocket set. So very attractive yung sprocket set guys, because it's a Honda. Honda is yung color motif talaga ng Honda guys is red. So yun guys, kailangan nyo lang ng strength para makaputol ng chain. Then itong special tool, so mabibili ito sa mga hardware or sa mga motor parts. So mas mahirapan kayo guys kung wala kayong ganito, yung special tool, dahil mahirap putulin yung chain kapag wala kayong special tool. So kailangan ng strength. Just do it clockwise. So yun guys, all set na.
Olive frame.
Putulan natin. So next step is we will connect this. So using the locks, we can connect this chain. So once lumalambot na yung special tool, that means natatanggal na yung link. So yun guys, very attractive yung sprocket natin. Then pasok din siya sa chain guide. Then ang ginawa natin is nag-forward lang tayo ng isang bolt sa chain guide. So this is a gold chain and this is a O-ring chain. So yung advantage ng O-ring chain is dito magla-lock. Pero yung non-O-ring chain naman is magla-lock yun guys kapag wala ng lubricant or oil. So make sure if you're using the non-O-ring chain, make sure that you will lube your chain para hindi to titigas. So lalak na natin guys. So ganito ang pag-lock ng chain. So gamit lang yung long nose na plies. Then dapat
Formado kayo, no?
yun guys,
Radiator na, di ba? Radiator.
ganito yung pag-lock ng chain or sa pag-connect.
Wala pa ka na,
Gamitin nyo yung lock ng chain. Then use the flat nose plies para papasok yung lock doon. So yun guys, napasok na. So very nice tingnan. The gold and red combination, then may silver. So yung sprocket natin is it will last like 5 years or 3 years depende sa paggamit niya. So i-final lock natin guys, yung swing arm natin. So make sure that everything is tightened up. para hindi kayo ma-disgrasya sa trail. So yung adjuster guys, check nyo lang yung adjuster para ma-stretch yung chain natin. So i-final lock lang natin sa right side, then good to go na ito guys. So yun, move nyo lang yung nut going right, then lock nyo guys para di na ito gagalaw. So yung adjuster is very easy to use. So sound check muna tayo sa Crf250. Just listen to the sound. Ito yung speedometer niya, yung Crf250. So kaka-install lang natin ng Crf250, then yun, very nice yung tunog dahil sobrang laki ng canister nito guys. So this is a polish tip Crf250. Then meron din tayong silencer nito guys, para sa mga customer na ayaw ng maingay na motor. So meron tayong silencer na free. So this is a Crf250l water cooled engine. So ang pinalit lang natin dito guys is yung full system muffler, then yung sprocket set, then yung Crf250 na full system pipe. So yun guys, ipalit na din tayo ng seat cover. So if magpapalit kayo sa mga Crf250l, mas maganda kung open yung pipe para mas makita ng mga tao. So meron namang ibang muffler na pwede siyang may cover yung muffler na, so mas madali siyang tingnan. So yung lock na Crf250 is very nice. So TIG weld ang ginamit dito guys. So test natin yung takbo. So slow run lang dahil wala tayong gears. So yun lang guys. So U-turn agad tayo guys, then check natin kung ano yung performance talaga. So for me 1352 is good for trail uphill. So yun lang guys. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you on the next vlog. Bye guys.